We're here at the ISA Expo 2026, and I have the queen, the woman herself, Lori Anderson. I want to ask you a little bit about why is this show important to the sign and display industry?
How much time do you have? Because
Well, I got about 35 seconds.
okay, this is the place. This is the place from soup to nuts. It's the entire food chain of the sign industry is here. It's the only place where that exists. It's everything. You have hands-on education. You have classroom education. And the connection, we do B2B events to connect you with industry partners. You don't get that face-to-face interaction anywhere else, and there is nothing like face-to-face interaction. It is the best place for the sign industry to be.
So speaking of all that change and all that innovation, what do you think is driving? I mean, the show is getting bigger and bigger every year. What's driving that evolution?
Oh, technology for sure. The technology and the need for human connection. We live in a very digital world, but when we come here, we're with a community. We're with like-minded people who care passionately about the sign and graphics industry. And so you have the new technology, the new ideas, the new learnings, and the connection, and that's what makes this show very special.
So if somebody has never been here, what are some of the things they should make sure that they see this year? And then I know next year you're in Vegas. What is it at ISA that people should make sure that they are checking out?
Well, it certainly matters what niche of the industry the person is in, but we have digital signage, we have channel letters, we have LED technology, we have incredible printing and ink. But if you want new technology, all of the exhibitors are showcasing their latest and greatest in technologies for sure. And that hands-on learning that you get in an exhibitor's booth is just phenomenal. But we have a next-gen tech zone that is featuring live examples of the future of technology, and including AI and how to use AI in your sign shop. And so we have learning sessions where you can go, if you've never even thought about it, where do I even start? We started with a session yesterday, and we advertised it, and it sold out in literal minutes. So we added 4 more sessions on AI here at the event. You can improve your efficiencies. You can streamline your operations with a few simple AI tools that could literally change your company's future.
So shifting gears a little bit here, moving from AI and all that business to in real life, or as the web calls it, IRL. You've got a lot of hands-on stuff here. I mean, I walked around. Everyone seems to have something going on in the booth. But is ISA themselves doing any hands-on anything? What's the situation with the hands-on stuff?
Oh, this is so fun. We have a part of our show floor. Well, it's a next-gen tech zone. We'll have some hands-on opportunities there. But we have a space on the show floor called the Sign Shop Spectacular, where sign companies can go and showcase their skills. You compete with other install teams to build something, and there's competitions all day long on the show floor, and that is truly hands-on. I love when I watch that competition on the show floor. I see the pride in the sign companies. Like, we do that every day. We want to showcase how incredibly talented this team is, and it's very fun to watch.
And am I right to say it's not even just the other exhibitors? You're here with all these other print shop owners. You might run into a guy that says, hey, we do this way. Have you ever thought about that? I mean, the networking possibilities have got to be amazing.
One great example, I ran into a guy a couple of years ago at the show, and I said, how's your show been? He goes, I just accidentally met someone in a booth, and we are already planning on a partnership. We had never met, and they found a perfect complementary opportunity.
So if somebody's on the fence about attending, right, we're already thinking ahead to 2027 here, what would you say to them?
You gotta be here. You just have to be here. If you are here collecting those partners, getting those contacts, finding new vendors to support you, now when you're the busiest, you're going to be ready for when the inevitable downturn happens, because every company goes through that. And that's what I like to just stress.
So you heard it from the queen herself, the beauty of serendipity. That's what we call it. The beauty of serendipity. The vendors, the networking opportunities, everything that's here, you just got to feel it to understand how special it is. So, Lori, thank you for your time today. I really appreciate it.
Pleasure. Thank you so much, and have a great show.
Thank you.